Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 26th, 2022. Fantom, are we ready for a bullish reversal? Like, that's just a simple question that should deserve a simple response or a simple answer. I'm going to talk to that on this video today. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. I simply look at price bars and volume to understand where the market is trying to go. And you guys can actually see that for yourself and become more in tuned with where price is headed. So if you guys appreciate it, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, join this team. This team is very massive of individuals willing to see how the market really works, and you're going to get that here. Take a look. I did a video in Fantom right here on February the 3rd. I was telling you all then to be prepared to see this price in Fantom do what? Yes, go down. And look what happened. Price in Fantom has done just that. It came all the way down to where we suspected to see the buyers. I was telling you all back in February, the beginning of this month, to look for that to happen. And here we are today. It has done it. So there's no excuses as to why people say that you cannot predict price movement. I've been showing you all this since 2017 that you can do this on your own. Yes, take a look at that. So now 27.15% profitability from that move. Time to get rid of it, because I need to talk about some things on this chart, right? Let's be real. Let's keep it honest. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it 100. Look at this. The market price in Fantom since August of 2021 was in a very bullish upward trend. We see that, right? We can all see from the price chart that the majority of the market participants was massively bullish in this cryptocurrency's price until mid-February. Price in Fantom did what? It broke the trend. When market price breaks trend, you need to pay attention, because it tells you that the dynamics has changed. The market is no longer as bullish as what it was in 2021. That is one thing we need to keep in mind for Fantom. Price is now trading below the trend. We got it. So from my perspective, I am not going to be massively bullish right now because the market is speaking. It is no longer bullish. So we need to kind of switch over into our mentality into thinking that, yeah, we can see price and Fantom go up, no doubt. But for us to maintain this very entrenched trend on this chart, that is done. That is over. It's in the past. We got to look forward to where price is going to go now, right? All right, so let's do this. So let me show you all the monthly time frame first, okay? Because the monthly time frame gives us an idea as to where price is really going to go from a monthly perspective. So I mean, I want you all to tell me, what does this look like? Does this look strong? Does this look weak? Does it look stable, right? What about on the 2 weeks? What do you all think here into the market in Fantom? Yeah, it's a mixed bag. We'll keep it 100. The market price, the market volatility over the last 2 weeks in Fantom has been mixed. We've seen selling, we've seen buyers coming to the market in Fantom. But one thing we have not seen is price trade above that trend. So we may be seeing the market transition over into consolidational trading, or, you know, simply trading sideways for a while. That is also an option that we can see on the chart. Look at this on the weekly, right? This is where we're noticing the buyers approach the market in Fantom right now. They found the price in Fantom attractive. Yeah, we can see that. So if anything, we found the basis as to where the buyers were at. The buyers approached the market in Fantom right here. So let's create this area now, because we've seen it happen on numerous weekly price bars. The market speaks to us, right? It shows us exactly what it's trying to do. So just like this week, the market in Fantom came back and maintained price during December, the week of December the 13th, as well as the week of December the 20th. It did that then. Even here, the market held support in Fantom in October, the week of October the 4th, 2021. This is where the buyers are at. We appreciate the market giving us this information, because if not, we would not have known where the bottom is right now. This is where the bottom is in Fantom. Were you able to cop some of these Fantom tokens into the market at that particular time at $1.28? Because that seemingly looks to be the bottom into the market right now. Okay. So let me hit this over on the daily so we can kind of get a better depiction as to what it looks like, because I want us to make sure that we keep following where the buyers are at. So we know as long as the price in Fantom continues, it's trading above this line, we're stable. The market is not volatile in that sense. Now, we got to identify how high are the sellers, like where are they at? We identify where the buyers are at. Okay, so where are the sellers? Well, they may not be far away, right? You see that? That's the first area, $1.81. That's where they're at. A bigger area that we may see sellers is right up here, okay? Which is around $1.90, maybe around like $2. We can see selling increase in Fantom right there. All right. So we got the ballpark. We laid out the field to where the sellers are at. We laid out the field to where the buyers are located. And now price is right smack dab in between both lines. Right. So let's look at this here on an hourly time frame. We saw a very massive run over the last couple of 4-hour price bars. Like the run in Fantom was extreme. You're already up 32% if you bought the market in Fantom yesterday or 2 days ago. Like you don't get that into the stock market like that. Very good run, 32%. Now it looks as if the market may be pumping the brakes. It looks as if the sellers are now trying to approach the market in Fantom, which you'll have to be careful, right? If you're trying to time the market on when to get in, when to get out, yeah, this may not be the time to get in because this is where the sellers are at. You guys remember I said $1.80? Yeah, you can kind of see it right now. Okay. So as I look at this, we also can tell from an hourly perspective that the trend is up. The market price in Fantom is in an upward trend, and it doesn't look like it wants to break right now. Even if it does, we saw such of a massive run the last 2 days that the market may come all the way back down to 160, hold support there, and continue this run higher. So far it looks pretty decent here on the chart in Fantom, right? So I think what we're going to do on this particular video is, yeah, I'm going to play some strength here into the market for Fantom, but I'm not going to be one of these moon boy YouTube channels to where we're anticipating the market to massively go up to $12 or $15, right? No, I keep it more realistic in terms of how this market dynamics work. I told you already that 180 is restriction right there. So yeah, you might got to take the bag there and just be happy with your 4% and move on to the next opportunity, because everything doesn't need to be locked up like you're serving a prison sentence for the next 20 years. Take that 4%. The next area will be right there around $1.90. That is where I'm looking for the market in Fantom to go before we see some more selling to try to push down the price. All right. So now let me get this back over to the daily so you all can see what I'm looking at over the next couple of days. I still think we got some strength involved, strength still mixed into the tank, that we can still see this market go up in price. And that's it. I'm done. Now, as we see the market continue to go forward and we still see the strength right there at $1.90, guess what? Yeah, you could keep the market riding higher, but I just want to see it happen first. So I'm in position. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in Fantom now. Going forward, as time continues to go on, we'll see what happens. But as of right now, this is what I'm thinking. Now, guess what? Yeah, you're part of our community, right? You subscribed. Then now is your opportunity to drop a comment right now and just give it a stab. Try it yourself. Look at the price chart, bare, empty, naked, no technical indicators, and see, can you figure out where the price is going to go? All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.